As I start this video, there is a lingering thought in my head that what if this video too doesn't perform? And that, my friend, is the impact social media has created upon us, especially creators. Just like God, the algorithm too does not exist in this tangible world. Is that why we fear it? Just 5 years ago, this fear did not exist, and that scares me into thinking that how fast this digital world is even progressing. Or should I say, pedaling back? The manipulation of algorithm basically means being a puppet in the hands of the riches who couldn't care less about our personal lives. Yet our lives depend on the success rate of something that lasts only for a few days in people's eyes. Measuring the success of my life in terms of how many likes, views, and shares I get is like a pool of depression I'm drowning into. I know how to swim, but it is really hard to survive. The piece of art I most cherished never performed well, and the moment I became a rat in the race, it seemed to be picked up by the algorithm. Don't get me wrong, I will give credit when credit is due, and that is the algorithm is partly the reason why I have some of my career, but the journey was never a fair one. It's not just the algorithm, it's the consumers too. There's no point in criticizing something when even I am a consumer, but I know that I'm a mindful one. As harsh as it may sound, we all know that there are people out there who have done next to nothing but have achieved everything. And one of the simple reasons why that is because of our mindless, endless scrolling. Sometimes I think, what's the point in even getting viral? It's just views and numbers that look good on our profile. For all the time I've been on social media, roughly since 2016, I've seen that if you appeal to the masses, you get brand deals, you get international trips, etc. But if you have a unique perspective and dedication, you are easily tucked away in a small corner on the internet. It's no news that some of us are working harder than we should than others who achieve it all so easily. This is not to say that some of my beloved creators have not succeeded. They have, but I know how long it took them. Their journey wasn't as easy as someone who just danced in front of the camera. Dancing isn't wrong, it's just that I wish every single art form and the hard work us creators put into something we create should have been celebrated too. This channel, Diary of Daksha, is something I created out of my love for writing and sharing my life with you as it passes through me. This is my space on the internet where I get to share topics at random. And that's exactly what a diary is, right? Just as a diary is a space to let your thoughts run, I cannot be having aesthetic, algorithm-pleasing topics all the time. So according to the algorithm, I'm not at all an optimized creator. But to myself, I am at most fulfilled. Because my fulfillment comes from sharing what I create and I love rather than stressing out about what will work for the algorithm. I know fear is a huge word, but should you fear the algorithm? Of course not. But maybe should you appeal to the algorithm? I think so. But do it in your own way, and that's what I'm trying to do. Realistically speaking, if we are part of something online, we are obligated to work according to it. But what I'm saying is, at least do it 70% your way. So my dear creators, who are constantly battling against what to create, post, just do it. Try moving past your resistance bit by bit if you can, because we need more unique perspectives and not the same old trends that lack depth. Try to get outside the box and create something deeply personal rather than something that appeals to the entire world. These words have been lingering in my heart for so long, so I don't care how this video performs. I'm so glad that you're listening to this, so thank you so much. Why try to fit inside a box just to get 1 million views by mindless scrollers? Why hold back on something so unique that birthed inside your mind? While some of our lives are obligated on the presence of social media, I feel like it should not push us into becoming something we're not.